James Metcalfe Campbell Bower is an English actor, singer, and model. He is best known for his roles as Anthony Hope in Sweeney Todd, the demon barber of Fleet Street, Caius in the Twilight Saga, the young Gellert Grindelwald in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, Part 1 and Fantastic Beasts, The Crimes of Grindelwald, Jace Wayland in The Mortal Instruments, City of Bones, and playwright Kit Marlowe in the short-lived series Will. Bower is also the lead vocalist, guitarist, and founding member of Counterfeit, a band formed in 2015 in London. Bower was born in London. His mother, Anne Elizabeth, is a music manager, and his father, David Bower, works for the Gibson Guitar Corporation. His maternal great-great-great-great-grandfather was Sir John Campbell, of Aird's, Lieutenant Governor of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. He attended Bedales School, a co-educational independent school in Hampshire, and is a former member of the National Youth Music Theatre and the National Youth Theatre. Bower began his professional career when his friend Laura Michelle Kelly recommended him to her agent. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.